Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Sergio
and Sheila,
and we are the Sergio and Sheila Real Estate Group, your Dallas luxury real estate experts, coming soon to a closing near you.
That's right. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time to the channel and you enjoy watching home tours and learning all things real estate, we would like to personally invite you to our YouTube family by subscribing. So please make sure to subscribe down below.
All right, so let's talk about where we are today. Today we are in Preston Hollow. We are just 5 minutes from the Preston Royal Shopping Center. We are 15 minutes from downtown Dallas, and of course, home to your best Dallas private schools, which is St. Mark's, Hockaday, and Ursiline. But I can't wait to show you guys this one. This one is a very special one that we just got to sell.
Yep. Yes, it's a Roger Custom Homes. It's a 5-bedroom, 5.1 baths. It's 6,417 square feet. It was listed at $2,650,000, and it's on a 0.41 acre lot. So it was a great location, great lot, and they actually put in a pool.
They did after they moved in, and the buyers absolutely love it. I can't wait to show y'all because we had a lot to do with this one. So anyways, let's go check it out.
Enjoy the music and enjoy the tour.
Again.
Well, there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Down below we have more information about the property, and if you're interested in viewing the property, please make sure to reach out to us. Actually, not this property, but a property just like it.
That's right, because this one's already sold. But anyways, we have more coming. But perhaps you're in the market to sell your house for top dollar in today's market, or maybe you need help buying a house here in the Dallas area, maybe you're relocating. We can help you with all those things here since we are your Dallas luxury experts. Anyways, all you need to do is schedule a buyer or seller consultation call in the links down below.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps with the channel.
And remember to follow us on Instagram at Sergio and Sheila. Guys, thank you so much for watching.
See you guys next time.